So guys, finally the wait is over. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Note 5 series in India today with Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro variant, each featuring standard features with the signature Redmi aggressive pricing. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, the Redmi Note 5 is priced starting at Rs 9,999 for the 3GB 32GB variant and at Rs 11,999 for the 4GB 64GB version. The Note 5 comes with a 12MP primary camera sensor and its front camera has an LED flash for improved selfies in low light. But this is not the phone I'm interested in because the specs are almost as identical as the Redmi Note 4, only a few changes here and there. The phone which I'm really interested in is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So Xiaomi also gave the Note 5 Pro a global debut and it will have a price of Rs 16,999. It is the first phone in the world to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset and will have a 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and a 64GB of internal storage. In addition to the increased RAM, the Note 5 Pro has dual cameras on the back, a 12MP Sony IMX486 sensor plus a 5MP Samsung sensor for depth information. It also has a massive 20MP front camera with the Sony IMX376 sensor. There's also a Redmi Note 5 Pro variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage that's priced at Rs 13,999. It's an absolute beast under this price range and no other smartphone can dare to compete with this under this budget segment, and it's also the best ever Redmi Note phone till date. So if you ask me which phone should you go for, I would definitely suggest you to go for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So with that said, I'm Shobik signing off and I will see you in the next video.